I didn't know we were expecting company.
Hey, who the heck do you think you are? Get that tin off my property!
My name is Robot Randy. I am the greatest and most powerful robot in the universe.
That's it. I'm getting me mallet.
You dare challenge my power?
Yeah. You stupid dog!
Get back to work.
He hit me! It's all his fault!
Get back to work.
Make me!